Welcome back. This week on Making Ends Meet, we're focusing on taxes.
Tax season is here, and whether you're doing them yourself or hiring someone, it's just not fun. It's the dreaded tax season after dry January. What else is going on?
It has to be done correctly,
Yes.
those taxes, or you could end up paying Uncle Sam instead of getting a refund.
Absolutely.
Channel 3's Dawn G is here to help us with a few tax tips and more.
Most of us would never purposely leave hundreds of dollars lying on a table in front of us if we knew it was ours for the taking. But during tax time, many of us do. Every year we often overlook great tax-saving opportunities because we simply don't know about them. Here's a few tips that will hopefully lead to a little bigger tax refund.
People hate dealing with taxes. People hate having to pay someone to do their taxes, hate paying taxes, and there's a lot of hate going around.
Debt and taxes are certain. One good thing about taxes, we know exactly when they are due, so at least we can prepare. Certified financial coach and CPA Tatiana Sawyer shares some tax tips that are often overlooked or just unknown.
The United States tax code is actually geared towards small business.
That's good news for those that have a side hustle. Gig work exploded during the COVID-19 pandemic.
If you have a side hustle, you have a lot more than in expenses that you could claim if they're real business expenses than you would if you were an employee.
Common deductions for your side business include business mileage on your car, dues and subscriptions you paid to business-related organizations, necessary tools and equipment, tuition for work-related education and training cost, and a home office tax deduction.
If you have a side hustle, open a second bank account and run all of your business-only stuff through that second account. Having a good bookkeeping system is really important.
Last year's home improvement projects may also pay off more than you imagine.
If you install energy efficient windows or buy an energy efficient fridge or install insulation that saves you heat, also reduces your oil bill or gas bill, you can get a credit on your taxes.
Certain solar, wind, geothermal, and fuel cell technology can also qualify. Another tax tip, often overlooked or unknown, an unmarried couple and a child registering much like a married couple filing jointly.
Potentially, if you have a girlfriend that has a child, they live in your home that you pay for and you provide for everything, you could potentially claim them both on your tax return.
There are strict conditions necessary to claim a partner as a dependent. Your partner must have lived with you for the entire year to qualify, and the income limit for that companion is especially tough to meet. The maximum is very low.
And there are a couple of tests that have to be met.
One more quick tax tip. Sawyer says although child and dependent care credits are going back to their pre-2021 levels, it's still a pretty significant credit, and it's partially refundable, meaning that even if you do not owe taxes, you can get money back. Helping you make ends meet, I'm Dawn G.